Hello everyone. I had to come on here just to give a really quick shout out to Island Shipper. I was on my way to Jamaica and I had a huge toaster that definitely could not fit in my suitcase. And I remember that I created an account with Island Shipper because of the door-to-door service. So if you have anything that needs to be shipped to your friends and family in Jamaica, they have a shipping company that actually does that. And I remember I created an account, but I did not finish my account. So this time around, I'm going to Jamaica and I have this huge toaster that cannot fit in my suitcase. So I remembered and I went back on their account and I uploaded all my information to complete my profile. I put in my address that I needed it to be shipped in Jamaica. And I went ahead and created my shipping alert. I uploaded my receipt and all the information that you need to make sure that you know where your package is all the time. And I live in Fort Lauderdale, so I was fortunate enough to actually drop off my package to their warehouse. And as soon as they received my package, I got my first alert that says your item is here in Florida. I got my second alert to say your item is in Jamaica. And then I got another alert to say it's time to pay. And that was cool because when it was time to pay and I went back on the website, they have so many options for you to choose from. You can do Zelle, you can do straight from your bank account, debit card, credit card, PayPal, whatever is best for you to make that payment. They have all the options there. So I chose the option that worked best for me. I paid for my item and their door-to-door service was right there to deliver my item. And for that, I am very grateful. So I really want to give a big shout out to Kevin. The customer service is great. If you guys have any questions, trust me, they are there to answer your questions. And it was great. So I had to come here and give a big shout out to Island Shippers. The holidays is right around the corner, guys. So if you need to get your items, your gifts, your supplies to Jamaica, to your friends and family, islandshippers.com, so that you can create your profile and get your items shipped. So big up.